We look up at the night sky and see tiny points of light, but beyond that darkness lies a universe so extreme, so powerful, and so strange that it completely rewrites what we think is possible. From planets where time moves differently to stars that spin faster than anything you can imagine, space is filled with mysteries that still shock scientists today. And once you hear these facts, you'll never look at the sky the same way again. Fact number 1. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year. On Earth, one full day takes 24 hours, and 1 year takes 365 days. But on Venus, the situation is almost unbelievable. Venus takes about 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, meaning one single day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. But it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So Venus completes a full year before it even finishes one full day. If you were standing on Venus watching the sun rise, you would have to wait over 4 Earth months just to see it reach noon. And here's the shocking part. On Venus, the sun actually rises in the west and sets in the east, the opposite of Earth. Time itself behaves differently there. A planet where a birthday comes before sunset. Pause and imagine that. Fact number 2. Neutron stars can spin up to 600 times every second. When a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core collapses into something called a neutron star. These objects are only about 20 kilometers wide, but contain more mass than our entire sun. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Now here's where it becomes terrifyingly incredible. Some neutron stars spin 600 times every single second. That's 36,000 rotations per minute. If Earth spun that fast, everything would be ripped apart instantly by the force. These stars send beams of radiation across space like cosmic lighthouses, and every time the beam points toward Earth, scientists detect a pulse. That's how we know they're spinning. Faster than a blender, faster than a jet engine, faster than anything naturally occurring that we know of. Space doesn't just move fast, it moves beyond imagination. Fact number 3. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate there are around 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, and each galaxy contains anywhere from millions to trillions of stars. When scientists add it all together, the estimated number of stars is roughly a septillion. That's a 1 followed by 24 zeros. To compare, scientists estimate there are about 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts on Earth combined. That sounds huge until you realize space has hundreds of thousands times more stars than grains of sand on our entire planet. Every grain of sand you've ever stepped on could represent an entire solar system. And beyond those stars may be planets, possibly millions of Earth-like worlds. The shocking truth is, our planet may be just one tiny speck in a cosmic ocean of worlds. Fact number 4. Footprints on the moon will last millions of years. When astronauts walked on the moon, they left clear boot prints in the dusty surface called lunar regolith. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere, no wind, no rain, no flowing water. That means there's nothing to erase those footprints. On Earth, a footprint might disappear in minutes. On the moon, it could remain for millions of years. The only things that slowly wear them down are tiny meteor impacts over enormous stretches of time. So right now, the footsteps of humans who walked there decades ago are still perfectly preserved. Long after our cities crumble, long after history fades, those footprints will still sit silently on the moon's surface, marking humanity's first steps beyond Earth. A frozen moment in time, lasting longer than civilization itself. Fact number 5. Saturn would float if placed in water. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It's so massive that more than 760 Earths could fit inside it. But despite its enormous size, Saturn is mostly made of hydrogen and helium gas, making it incredibly low in density. In fact, Saturn is the only planet with an average density lower than water. So theoretically, if you could find a bathtub big enough, larger than Earth itself, and place Saturn into it, the planet would float. Of course, this is purely theoretical since no container could ever hold a planet that large, but it shows just how light Saturn is for its size. A world bigger than anything we can imagine, yet light enough to drift like a ball in water. Space constantly defies what feels logical. The universe is filled with time-bending planets, stars that spin faster than physics seems to allow, and numbers so large our brains can barely process them. And the most incredible part? This is only what we've discovered so far. There are still countless mysteries hidden in the darkness of space, waiting to be uncovered. If these facts amazed you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the wonders of the universe. Because out there beyond the stars, the next discovery could change everything we know about reality itself.